I'm Simon, Senior Panel Technician. I started around about 99, before I even left school. Final year of exams, study leave, Saturday mornings, any opportunity I got. I wasn't entirely sure what I wanted to do when I left school, I just knew it was something to do with vehicles. And Andrew, within the first 3 months, said that he'd like to potentially offer me a full apprenticeship. Started right at the bottom, obviously a complete newbie to start with. Just started, general MET, and then started getting old panels out the skip, damaging them intentionally, and then let me have a go at them. And then once I'd cracked that, let me loose on cars, and every day's a school day. Constantly learning. Yeah, it's a constantly evolving industry. We've got to stay ahead of the game. 2030, every vehicle is going to be either a hybrid or fully electric, so we've got to be prepared for that. Did my first hybrid vehicle training several years ago now, and since then done the fully electric training. Been over to Tilburg with Tesla, done their training, hybrid and electric training with Jaguar Land Rover and VW Audi. It's exciting, it's enjoyable. I can't see me coming out of it anytime soon. No, love it.